Hello again, everyone. I am pretty late coming out with this video, but it is here, and I've made quite a few cat sticker designs recently. You saw some of them in my last video. This one I'm working on right here is a gray sort of tuxedo cat. And he's gonna have a sword, of course, and a little cape like the other. And he's gonna be bundled with the orange cat. I'm gonna make a little bundle, a sticker bundle, because those are, I guess, better for selling on Etsy rather than single stickers. I still have single stickers uploaded to my Etsy shop, but I think because of shipping, the bundles are a little more attractive to people. So here I'm working on some more cat designs for a sticker sheet, and I'm gonna do like individual stickers as well of these cat designs and sell them separately, or I guess, well, separately and in a bundle. You'll see, you'll figure it out. It's fine. I don't need to explain it right now. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I had originally planned for this video to be a bit longer because I was also going to be working on new prints and printing those out and everything. However, I realized that I was going to need some more time to work on them, so I decided to just move forward with my stickers, especially because I was already a few weeks late for updating my shop. I wanted to do it like mid-April, but obviously that didn't happen. So yeah, that's why this video is cut a little shorter than I would have liked. And I especially want to make more time for my prints because, you know, with the stickers it's really easy to draw something quick and clever and just make it a little sticker. I've been loving the sword cats, obviously, but prints are just the art I make in general, which takes a lot more time, and I don't always have a lot of drawing time anymore, which makes it a bit frustrating. I'm slowly trying to figure out a good balance in my life so I do have time to make art, and not just any sort of art, because like I've mentioned with this whole quote-unquote rebrand, I really want my work to be the fun, colorful, and fantastical work that I love doing. So I guess I shouldn't think of it as just making prints, because ultimately what I'm doing is just having fun making the art that I want to make. So I'm coming to terms with just letting that happen when it happens. And when I make something that I like enough to sell, I will do that. But yeah, the sticker ideas are easy and lots of fun, of course. And I'm not trying to discount the creative process for them either. It's just easier to finish a drawing of a character like a cat holding a sword and call it a day rather than finish a full-on illustration with a background and lighting, etc. So for now, until I start, getting some traction with other art pieces, we're just gonna have stickers in the shop, and that's okay. I feel like people, normally prefer stickers over prints anyway, so in the end, it's all fine. I also decided to update my thank you cards. I worked on this pattern and I made several other patterns for several hours, and then I just completely scrapped it all. So that was fun. I was just trying to keep it simple, so after I put the pattern on there, it was just a little too much, so I scrapped it. Although I really like this colorful one that I'm working on here, I think at some point I will switch back to the black and white version that I just did, because I don't know, looking at it now, it's just, I don't know, it works and I like it and it's simple. It's also black and white, so it's going to save me a little bit on ink, which isn't like my main worry right now. It's just a bonus. I do like the colorful one because it matches my vibe of my shop right now for spring and summer, so maybe it'd be a cool thing to like switch it up every now and then and go back and forth between like a colorful themed one and then just like the general black and white one. So I am going to print out the colorful one to go with the theme of my shop right now. Now it's time to print these cards out. This is the paper that I use for thank you cards, as well as some of my prints. It's a nice smooth matte paper and it's double-sided. However, my printer doesn't actually print double-sided, so I do have to do that manually by flipping my paper over to the back to print the other side, which is not ideal, obviously, but it does work to an extent. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, and I'd say it's not very accurate. I did have to adjust my file a little to account for the slight margin of error from trying to get both sides to line up, but like I said, at the end of the day, it works. So here they are. They do look a little bit off on camera, like the colors are not accurately displayed in this shot, I guess. I mean, they're a little bit, but I think the cats look a little more bluish than they actually are. Anyway, but I like the way they came out. I think they're good, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up now. There they are, all done with the rounded corners and everything. I'm excited to have these for my shop materials, so if you order from me, you'll get one with your name on it, and yeah, it's really cute. I should mention that my shop is currently open right now. I feel like I should have mentioned that earlier in the video, but it is currently open. So if you want to buy any of the things you're seeing in this video, you can literally just go to the link in the description and purchase some. And then you'll get one of these cute little thank you cards too. So yeah, check that out. I'm always nervous to see how these come out. I had 6 designs made and 1 set of sticker sheets. The sticker sheets, there's only 15 of them, and that's because it's actually really expensive to get sticker sheets printed from a manufacturer like this. It kind of makes me understand why people invest in equipment to make their own sticker sheets, but I can't do that right now, and I don't think I want to, so here we are. So these are looking really cute. I think one thing I am noticing and realizing right now as I'm looking through them is that I forgot to do one very important step in the process of sending artwork to a printer, and that is to lighten my files. Even though you can't really tell on screen, they're a little darker than I would have liked, or at least some of them are versus others. And I think this one in particular is one I probably should have edited a little more because of the red lines. In certain lightings, it can look a little scary. His red eyes just like really pop with that vibrating orange color. One last thing that I also noticed, and it's my fault for not paying attention to this. So these 3 are supposed to be like a bundle that you could buy together. So I tried to make them at least all the similar size, but as you can see, the cat is smaller in this sticker because I was going by the measurement of the height, which ends at his sword, not his head. And that means he's just so much smaller than the other cats in the set. So I would also probably try and fix this the next time I print these stickers. So I really like the way the sticker sheets came out. I got everything ordered from Sticker App, if you haven't noticed. There are a few strands on these, but that's fine, I don't care. I like the quality. I like that it's very lightweight. I think the last time I got my stickers printed, it was from Sticker Mule, and I'll just show you the difference. Now, you would probably think, oh, if it's a little heftier, then it's, you know, higher quality. But if I'm shipping these, I don't really want it to be, you know, heavier. And something about how clunky it was, just to me, I didn't like. It was just a very different material, and I don't know, I prefer the Sticker App version is what I'm gonna say. That's my opinion. Now this is just me going through a bit of a quality check, and I don't normally do this, but I should because this time I had found these tabby cats here had like red splotches of ink on them. They're really tiny, but it looked bad. It looked like they were dirty. So like 90% of the stickers had them. It's kind of hard to see on the footage, so I'll drop a picture in. Thankfully, Sticker App's customer service was awesome and they went ahead and reprinted everything. So that was great. Anyway, guys, that is the end of this video. If you want to be a proud owner of some adorable sword-wielding cats, go check out my Etsy shop. It is linked in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.